Okay, so here we have one last question for practice. So question is related to now torque and potential energy formulas. One dipole values, charge values are 5 microcoulomb. Separation is 2 centimeter. It is placed in uniform electric field 50. Calculate all these things. So let us draw a diagram. Electric field is always parallel shown for the uniform electric field. One dipole is placed at some angle with electric field. So minus 5 microcoulomb, minus charge is always shown first and plus charge is shown the next. The distance between the two charges is 2 centimeter. Now the question is, first question is dipole moment. Dipole moment formula is Q into distance. Q is 5, micro is 10 to the power minus 6 and distance is 2 centimeter, means 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Next question is initial torque. Torque formula is PE sin theta. P is dipole moment, which is 10 to the power minus 7. E is electric field 50 and sin theta. Theta is given 30 degree. So sin 30 is substituted. This is torque obtained, initial. Then initial potential energy. Potential energy formula is minus PE cos theta. Put all these values in minus, the answer of potential energy will be obtained. Then potential energy in stable and unstable equilibrium. In our derivation sheets, we studied two angles. For stable equilibrium, the angle theta is 0 degree and for unstable equilibrium, the angle theta is 180 degree. So we have to put thetas in energy formula. So put theta 0, cos 0 is 1. So minus PE is the answer here. Then put theta 180, cos 180 is minus 1. So U answer is obtained, PE. This way the formulas are prepared and put the values, potential energy will be obtained. Then the last two questions are about change. So we will be needing here two formulas in combination. Question is change in the energy if the dipole turns from initial position and aligns along E vector. So change in the potential energy, that means U2 minus U1, final minus initial. Now finally the dipole is aligning along E. Along E means this dipole, which is at some angle, it is along E aligned. If along electric field it is aligned, that means its angle is 0 degree. So we have to put here cos 0. So this is first potential energy. Then minus sign, initial potential energy. Initially it was aligned at 30 degree. So we will put here 30 degree and the answer will be obtained. So we have to here just put two potential energies according to the information given in the question. Then last question is work done in turning from stable to unstable. Now work done and potential energy are the same. So the two orientations we have to identify from the language, stable and unstable. Stable means theta 0 and unstable means theta 180. So finally it is 180. So what we have to do, in the potential energy formula, put cos 180, value will be obtained, and put cos 0 degree. So value will be obtained. This way 2 PE is the obtained answer and we will put the values, will obtain the work done. So this way the question is to be attained.